VMware Cloud on Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud enables enterprises to seamlessly extend, migrate, and optimize VMware workloads across leading public cloud platforms while maintaining operational consistency, security, and performance. These cloud solutions allow businesses to run VMware workloads natively on cloud infrastructure without refactoring applications, ensuring high availability, disaster recovery, and integration with native cloud services. VMware Cloud on Azure, also known as Azure VMware Solution, AVS, allows businesses to run VMware vSphere-based workloads on dedicated Azure infrastructure. It provides a fully managed VMware stack on Azure bare metal servers, delivering the same operational experience as an on-premises VMware environment. AVS integrates with Azure Active Directory, Azure AI, Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, and Azure Backup, enabling enterprises to modernize applications and enhance security. It also supports express route connectivity, allowing organizations to establish a low-latency, private connection between on-premises data centers and Azure. This makes data center migration, disaster recovery, and hybrid cloud expansion seamless. Enterprises can leverage Azure Site Recovery for real-time replication and failover, ensuring business continuity with minimal downtime. VMware Cloud on Google Cloud, known as Google Cloud VMware Engine (GCVE), provides a fully managed VMware environment on Google Cloud's high-performance infrastructure. This solution enables businesses to run VMware vSphere, vSAN, and NSX-T workloads natively on Google Cloud, ensuring seamless integration with Google Cloud AI, analytics, and Kubernetes services. GCVE is ideal for enterprises that require high-speed connectivity, AI-driven insights, and cloud-native application modernization. Organizations can migrate workloads without downtime using VMware HCX, leverage Google Cloud's high-speed global network, and integrate VMware environments with BigQuery, Vertex AI, and Google Kubernetes Engine (GKE). Businesses can also implement hybrid cloud strategies, combining VMware's enterprise virtualization with Google Cloud's AI, machine learning, and analytics capabilities. Disaster recovery and data protection are strengthened with Google Cloud Backup and DR, ensuring workload resilience and security. VMware Cloud on IBM Cloud provides a secure, high-performance VMware infrastructure optimized for regulated industries such as finance, healthcare, and government. Unlike other public cloud providers, IBM Cloud offers dedicated VMware environments on bare metal servers, ensuring high performance, security, and compliance with standards such as FIPS 142, PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. IBM Cloud's global availability and data sovereignty options make it an excellent choice for organizations with strict compliance requirements. Businesses can use IBM Cloud disaster recovery, DR, and automated failover solutions to ensure continuous uptime for mission-critical applications. Additionally, IBM Cloud integrates AI-powered automation through IBM Watson, providing advanced security analytics, performance optimization, and predictive insights for VMware workloads. SAP, Oracle, and enterprise databases can be deployed on IBM Cloud's VMware-optimized infrastructure, ensuring high availability and scalability. Organizations choosing VMware Cloud on Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud benefit from seamless multi-cloud operations, fast and secure workload migration using VMware HCX, hybrid cloud flexibility, enterprise-grade security and compliance, disaster recovery capabilities, and access to cloud-native innovations like AI, machine learning, and Kubernetes services. These solutions allow businesses to extend their data centers while leveraging the best features of public cloud environments. VMware Cloud on Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud offers enterprises a powerful, flexible, and secure cloud platform to modernize applications, enhance disaster recovery, and optimize cloud costs. By running VMware workloads natively on public clouds, businesses gain the best of both worlds: VMware's enterprise-grade virtualization and cloud-native innovation from top providers. Let's continue.